Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 13.2 question number 9. A car takes 2 hours to reach a destination by traveling at the speed of 60 km per hour. How long will it take when the car travels at the speed of 80 km per hour? Here we have taken a table with the given information. Speed in km per hour and time in hours. When the speed in km per hour 60 km per hour, the time taken is 2 hours. When the speed is 80 km per hour, that the time taken is x. Here you see that the speed, the speed in kilometer per hour, in kilometer per hour, and the time taken, and the time taken, and the time taken in hours are in inverse proportion, are in inverse proportion, are in inverse proportion. Therefore, we can write 60 into 2 is equal to 80 into x. I can find the value of x as 60 into 2 divided by 80. This zero will cancel. 2 on 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. That is equal to 3.2. That is equal to 1.5. The value of x is equal to 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours. Right? How long will it take when the car travels at the speed of 80 km per hour? When the car travels at the speed of at the speed of when the car travels at the speed of 80 km per hour, it will take 1.5 hours. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.